and Council 9, Memorandum number 060, which is the nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill. And at the same time, since November 5 man ang World Tsunami Awareness Day, apil na lang po na ko siya sa ato ang orientation karon. Since gamay na lang kaya ang time, 2 p.m. mga to and said no, so dalion na lang nako niya ato ang orientation regarding sa earthquake drill. So last time, mga tong and said, nag-start ta og drill before sa feedbacking and orientation. So this time, ang atong button is i-orientaan kung unsa dapat ang buhaton. So sa earthquake drill, kabalo naman ta ang drop, cover, and hold, no? So kano sa ta mag-drop, cover, and hold? Anyone? After sa
during alarm.
So, I'll do it. So, magpa-alarm ka within 1 minute, dapat during sa nag-alarm hold ta. Meaning, ang alarm, that means mo na ang earthquake kunuhay, no? During 1 minute, mo drop ta, cover and hold. Tago ta sa ato ang mga labisa. And then after 1 minute, dira na ta mo evacuate, mo naog. So, let us follow the evacuation procedure. Cover your head, dayon, dili dagan-dagan, panaog, just, kuan lang, kanang, dili po siya normal nga walk, basta kay paspas lang po, pero dili siya panagan. And then, naatay tulo ka kung identify na exit, emergency exit, kani sa luyong, and then dili sa kilid and sa front. So, tulo ra ang ato emergency exit, dili sa ato ang building. So again, no, later on, magpa-alarm ta within 1 minute. So drop, cover, and hold. And follow the evacuation procedure. So ang atong gigamit nga evaluation during sa atong NSED diri sa office is actually from the OCD9. So 10 ka buok. So mo dapat ang ato ang sundon. First is use as loud as enough to be heard by all drills participants. So atong gamit is katong speed anti-alarm. And next is the drill participants execute the duck, cover, and hold technique during the alarm phase. So during the alarm phase, no, or while the alarm system is being sounded. Next is the drill participants waited for the alarm system to stop before evacuating. So dili sa ta munaog mugawas sa building during sa alarm. And then number 4, the drill participants executed the body-body system during the evacuation phase. So kinahanglan kung kinsa tong kauban nato sa atong room, no, sa atong office, like for example sa katong finance, kamo ang body-body ra kay since kamo ang nakabalo kinsa inyong mga kauban. So dapat ang inyong mga kauban makita ninyo nga nakagawas or kung dapat i-identify ninyo kung kinsa ang wala pa, especially inignaog na sa ubos. So the drill participants walk faster than normal during the evacuation phase. So again, dito magniya-iya kay kuha man na siya emergencies, pero dili kita pwede madagan. And then the drill participants follow the evacuation routes to the evacuation area. So ang atong safety nga evacuation area kay diri sa front, since diri sa kilid di naman siya safety kay na may building sa DepEd, diri sa SWD, so dira ta sa front later kani gawas sa after sa alarm. And then the drill participants cover their heads while vacating the building. So cover your heads and the participants check for any sustained injury in the evacuation or assembly area. So dito na tamo check kung sa mga injury na nakuan. Hopefully wala, no. And next is head count. Pag-abot dito sa evacuation area. And last is the participants stayed in the evacuation area until the drill was terminated. So this is a serious kuano, so I hope nga seryosohon ko na to kay since practice man siya sa ato ang if ever nga mahitabo nga earthquake. So last time dagan ito nagkatawa-katawa, murarag ka na bitong joke lang ang tanan. And so this time I hope since this is the 4th quarter for this 2024 nga NSED, I hope nga ato na po siyang seryosohan. So, and by the way, ako din inihang si Ma'am June and si Sir Glenn na may observe, ma'am. Okay ra, ma'am? So, pwede, dili lang ma-feel sa pag-drill, ma-observe lang ta, ma'am, if na kuha pa nila 10 ka.
Pwede na ako.
Ready na.